Are you getting annoyed receiving unwanted messages on your Facebook profile? If yes, you need to watch this video. Because in this video, I am going to show you how to remove message button on your Facebook profile. So let's start and open your Facebook app and go to your profile section. Click the three lines on the top right corner. Then click your profile icon. Then click this three dotted button. After that, go to View As. This is the view of someone who is browsing your profile. And maybe this is the reason that you are receiving unwanted messages because you have the message button here. Now to remove that, let's go back and go to the settings. Once you're in the settings section, scroll down and locate how people can find and contact you. Select and click it. Now, what you need to do, here in under how you get message requests, change the settings from chats to don't receive request. All of these three options. Once you set all those settings, you will no longer receive unwanted messages, and also the message button from your profile will be removed. And that is how to remove message button on Facebook. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.